Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to grow Mycelium leather easy method. Begin by sterilizing substrate, then inoculate with clean spawn, seal containers and label them. Keep incubation at steady temperature and humidity, monitor for contamination, and record observations daily. When a dense white mycelial mat forms, initiate consolidation and slow drying to form flexible leather. This hands-on method focuses on safety, repeatability, and small batch learning. In this video, I will explain how to grow Mycelium leather easy method. Mix sawdust and nutrient, adjust moisture, then pack into sterilizable bags and autoclave or pressure cook them thoroughly. Cool to room temperature before adding spawn to avoid killing mycelium. Use a sterile environment for inoculation and distribute spawn evenly to promote uniform colonization. Seal, label, and place in a dark, warm incubation area to let the mycelium develop into a cohesive network. In this video, I will review how to grow Mycelium leather easy method. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers shown make cleanup simple when preparing substrates and storing tools. Check the description for the link and special deals. If you are finding this useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps us keep making practical, hands-on guides. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to grow Mycelium leather easy method. Place inoculated bags in a stable incubator, avoid temperature swings, and check moisture without opening too often. Rotate or gently compress bags if growth is uneven to encourage mat formation. Once fully colonized, transfer to a breathable form or mold for shaping. Maintain humidity while mycelium binds into a sheet. Patience and gentle handling yield cleaner, stronger leather-like material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.